Let A equal the set negative square root of 6, negative 1, negative 0.5, 0, 3, square root of 25, 7.5, 24 halves, and a square root of negative 4. First, simplify each element as needed, and then list the elements from A that belong to the set of whole numbers. Now remember that the set of whole numbers starts with 0. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on in unit jumps. So the elements from A that are whole numbers start right here with that element of 0, also the element of 3, and the element of the square root of 25, because that is the number 5. Also, the element 24 halves, because that is the number 12. So from A, the whole numbers are 0, 3, the square root of 25, or 5, and 24 halves, or 12.